How's it going? It's Nathan. As you can see from the title of the video, today is the day that we are testing the fuel out of all the gas stations in my town. There's 9 gas stations here, one of which has ethanol free. So we're going to be testing 10 different fuels, all 87 octane, to see if any of them have water in them. I believe the ethanol free is the culprit as to why my bike was sputtering. So we're going to find that out today. All right, got our marker to mark out where we got the fuel, got the mason jars, and got a thumbtack. So our first stop is the Spanish Trail Shell. We have a regular at 321, plus at 339, and power at 349. We're gonna be getting the 339 plus. Our Shell 87 octane gasoline. I've got 27 cents worth from the South Shell at 87 octane. Coming up on our second stop, this is South Maverick. Spilled a little bit, but we've got our Maverick 87 octane. It costs us 28 cents. That's because I spilled a little bit. Just down the block, we got Chevron. Chevron with Techron. It's a little bit more blue than the rest. And that one was 28 cents. So we'll get some 85 octane here. We have our Texaco 85 octane. This was 27 cents. Our fuel, Kroger City Market, this was 27 cents. And on to the next one. This is 7-Eleven South. We have 91, 88, and 85. There's no 87, so we gotta do 88. That looks awful. That was 26 cents. This one here at Exxon 7-Eleven is 319, and it's also 88 octane. We spent 26 cents. This was 26 cents. Interesting development in our situation here. We have ethanol free out of service. We got our ethanol free. So what happened was I didn't realize that the pumps, all the pumps had ethanol free. But the one that I was going to was just broken. As far as I can tell, there's no water in it. I just talked to the guy. He said that it's filtered twice and that there should not be any water in it. And he doesn't know why my bike would be sputtering with this gas. I'm at a loss. So we've got mostly ethanol free. I put 0.8 gallons in of ethanol free, and then just one mason jar full of Chevron 87 octane. I'm gonna run this for a couple days, and I'm gonna let the bike sit like I did before for about 24 hours, and we're gonna find out if this ethanol free is causing the problem. You know, maybe the truck got a bad batch or something, I don't know, but I talked to the guys. They said it's filtered twice before it even comes to the pump. So there had to have been something with that gas. Well, since the last update, I have put on white walls. That's the only thing different. So these are the new Shinko 777s. Oh, shit. Yeah, they're slidey. So the bike's been sitting 2 weeks, and so far on our ethanol-free gas, there's not a hiccup. I don't know what's happening. It's not sputtering anymore. I do not know what to make of this problem / not problem. We might have to conclude this video, the video that doesn't tell you anything. The bike was sputtering, now it's not. Period. I'm kind of upset about it actually, mostly because I want to know why it was sputtering in the first place. This video, I want to thank you guys for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting down below, thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you want to be notified of all my new videos, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next one.